How to transfer your videos to Google Photos on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your videos to Google Photos on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and then go down again until you find transfer a copy of your information. Click on it and click next, and here you will find this one, Google Photos. Click on it and go to Photos, click None, and then click Next. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.